Welcome to CASHAPP Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have a 2012 Infiniti G35, right? G37. This is the same like the Coupe one? Okay. Okay. What we need to do, this is 2012. We try to program the key. Okay. So, first I'm gonna use this machine. Let me turn it on. And then we have to put our OBD2 here. This car have a slot. So we're gonna do it different way. This is the OBD2 connector. We're gonna connect this here. Okay. Now, first, can we put a used one? Yes. So we're gonna put this one here. What is the other one? So let's first communicate. 2000, I believe from 2008. 9, 10, 11, 12 with a slot is the same key. Whether it's G35 or G37, the programming system is the same. So let's first read the car. The car is running now, Asian Infiniti. And what we need to do now, turn the hazard light on, that in case there is no key. But we're gonna read the information first. 5%. This one gonna take time. I have both keys. Okay, I'm gonna turn the key on for now. But later on, I will turn the key off because you must erase all the keys. You see here we have 45%. You must erase all the keys and then register them from the beginning, which means that any key is not available here will not be there. I'm gonna turn the AC off. Let's say put the hazard light on. Okay. And we still collecting information to connect with the immobilizer system. You have two choices. When you try to do the job, ignition must be off if you need to program those keys. And this can apply for Maxima up to 2012, Ultima, Infiniti, Murano, Rock. Okay, here the first thing you need to do is Imo Smart System. You can go to Imo Smart System or remote system, but go to auto scan here first, because you need to start from here. This one is just show you how the system is, but we don't need this one. We need to go through the Imo system. Here you try to register it, you cannot do it because you need to unlock the serial lock. Here it's not gonna work. So what you need to do, if you try to do it here, it's not gonna work. So go back and go to Imo Smart. Here you see immobilizer, remote control learning. This is the best thing to go through. Then you're gonna do unlock steering lock. So what is gonna happen? Turn the key off, and now go to unlock steering column. You're gonna hear a noise. Unlock success. Okay, now what do you need next? Say okay. Now perform key registration. Now you're gonna take one of those keys, put it here in the steering lock. Okay, what you say? Ignition lock, hazard on, battery voltage, turn the steering column, the steering release, man. So we're gonna wait now. It will register all the key will be deleted. You're gonna put the first key inside without depressing, turn the ignition on. So now I put the key here already. So without depressing, turn the ignition on. It's gonna something gonna blink there. Okay, I turned the ignition on. Click next. Now it's gonna register it. Then it will tell you to take the key out. Okay, now operate according to the following. So you're gonna take the key out and put it back again. Okay, now I'm gonna take the key out, put it back again, turn the key on again. Something have to blink 5 times, you see here. So now take it again, the light will go off. Put the other one inside. Okay, turn the key on. You gotta see that light will flash 5 times. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take this one out again. Lights go off. Put the last one, the first one you program. Put it in. Turn the key on. No blinking anymore. Now you can take the key out. Now turn it on with the hand, regular. Push your lock, unlock, let it register. Everything register. See now ignition is on now. Those both keys are already registered. Now let me start it. Perfect. This one here is going for a Nissan Altima Maxima Infiniti with a 903. This is a used one. It's working, yes. Both of them is work. Everything is good, and we're done. So what I'm trying to say here, when you go here, go to this. On this particular car, if you're using Maxim MI608, try always to use this section. Go back. Don't go. Okay. Yeah. Don't do IMO scan. Go to IMO Smart System. Thank you for watching.